Hello traders, we find a false breakout on Gbpusd on a very significant level. So long we find this false breakout on this strong resistance zone, this is a strong indication that we're expecting Gbpusd to drop. So and you can see from my previous market trend, you can see that we are still currently in what downtrend. So long the market has this downtrend structure, we expect price to push lower for the Gbpusd USD. Also from my weekly analysis, if you watch it, I said I'm expecting the Gbpusd USD to retest this level for lookout or a selling opportunity. And you can see that this week price created gap. So price, after the gap was filled now and price went to this region and create this false breakout, we expect price to also to drop this week. And this week we're also expecting this economic data this week, which is the Bank of England monetary policy report, and we're also expecting rate cuts this week for the Bank of England too, which is official bank rate. We're expecting to Bank of England to also cut rate this week also, which is today. So this news can also have an impact on the Gbpusd USD to make the Gbpusd USD to drop heavily today. Let's go back to our chart. So on my chart now, so long we have those economic data that will be affecting the Gbpusd USD to either buy heavily or drop heavily. So, but what I'm expecting a drop on the Gbpusd USD, which is, let's go to our weekly chart. So on my weekly chart, I'm still expecting a downtrend push for the Gbpusd USD. So long we have a weekly downtrended market structure and price close on this weekly resistance, you can see that price is still on the weekly resistance on this area. So long price is still on the weekly resistance, we expect the Gbpusd USD to drop. So let's go back to our daily chart. Okay, before we go back to our daily chart, we'll be expecting the Gbpusd USD to drop to this weekly support level, which is this level I marked. So I'm expecting price to drop to this weekly support level this coming week. And if you also share from my monthly chart, also from the monthly chart, you can see that price closed on this resistance area on the monthly chart, and price is doing a retest of this level on the monthly chart. So we expect a drop on the Gbpusd USD this week. So long we have this weekly intact, so long we have this weekly chart intact, we are still expecting a downtrend push, and which I'm expecting the effect might come after the news release from the Bank of England today. So we'll be expecting the Gbpusd USD to push to our next weekly support level, which is this area. So look for a selling opportunity for the Gbpusd USD this today for us to sell the Gbpusd USD. So if you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.